What is up, and welcome back. It's been a really long time since I've put out a video. What I'm doing today, just like the title states, clutch, slave cylinder, and master cylinder. I recently replaced my transmission with a junkyard trans that I picked up for like 500 bucks. I got a stage 4 comp clutch from my good buddy Randall Waters, and he also helped me source a JWT flywheel friction plate. Mine was a little warped. It got really hot. I kind of fried my clutch doing a burnout, so it all needed to be replaced. While I was in there, I also did the rear main seal on the motor, which was a huge pain. Everything's put back together. The last thing is to bleed the clutch, and there's air getting in somewhere. I did replace the clutch line with a one-piece stainless steel line. It's really nice. It's really cool. Goes straight from the master all the way down to the slave. We're gonna get right into this. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace a clutch master and slave cylinder on a 2004 350Z. Please don't look at any of this. Alright, now that the fluid is drained, I'm going to take this 10mm and buzz these two tins off right here. Decided to put gloves on, save my hands a little bit, and put these washers and nuts back onto the studs here. Yeah, so I usually just take the vice grips, put them down on the clamp, and move it off just like that. Okay, inside there's two 12mm nuts holding the master cylinder on. There's one there, there's one underneath here as well. I already broke both of those loose. The next thing to do is take this cotter pin out right here and then take those bolts off completely. The master cylinder will pull straight out of the firewall into that little compartment in the engine bay. Alright, with all that taken off, master cylinder should just pull right out of the firewall now. This line that I got is 11mm. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out right here, and then I'll just put the new one in. I'll probably put it in right here and then slide it in. Make it easiest for me. Everything is hooked back up here. We have the reservoir on, lines tightened down, reservoir's tightened down. I'm going to head down to the bottom and I'm going to start on the slave cylinder. It's only 2 bolts to hold it on, so it should be pretty quick. Hey, bud. Oh, look how dusty this thing is. Man, I forgot how low that car was. What a beautiful car. I'm gonna move all this crap right here in the front of the storage unit. We're gonna move the ST right now. And I'm gonna take the Z and go rip it around the block real quick. Be sure everything's working properly. And man, I'm really excited. It's been like a month since I've driven this car. I changed the trans, I did the rear main seal, I did the clutch, I did the flywheel, friction plate, master, slave, new clutch line, modified master. Bled it for a very long time, and now we're here. So I'm stoked. I'm absolutely stoked. I'm ready to get in there and bank some gears. Let's go. I don't know where my keys are at. let the car heat up for a few minutes. I need to grab my sunglasses. Let me turn the fans on, and we're gonna let it rip. My knee is in the way of my steering wheel. Car's running really good right now. I mean, it is just a cold start. We haven't pulled on it or anything yet. We're just now at 140 degrees, so we're heating up. And oh my god, my GoPro battery is gonna die while I'm driving, so I'm gonna head back over and grab my other battery real quick. Feels like all the way with no slipping clutch.